English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable Chairman Sir, this is transparent budget of this transparent government. It clarifies both government's policy and destiny through this House. This government has presented the status paper on railway before the people of the entire country. This in itself is a proof that the government wants to entire transparency and clarity. It is such a voluminous paper that the honorable members have spoken at length in this regard, and now through this house it has become property of this country. Railways is not related with only development of our country, but it connects us to the other countries of the world as well, and it is a good made of transportation to reach those ends. First, I would like to give hearty congratulations to Honorable Minister of our government. My Lok Sabha constituency falls under the South Eastern Railways. When the previous government was on its last leg, Sri Paswanji laid the foundation stone on 7th November 1997, and only a taken budget of rupees 2 crores was allocated. This is the largest gauge conversion under the South Eastern Railway. Is covered a long distance. The total distance from Jabalpur to Gondia and Balghat to Katnangi is 285 kilometers. Gondia is in Maharashtra, and Jabalpur is the commissionerate of Mahakaushal, Balghat Mandla, Shivni, and the entire Nainpur zone. Meter gauge are to be benefited by it. Railway officer had demanded only rupees 22 crores in the railway budget for this purpose, an amount of rupees 2 crore which was given last year. Even that was also not spent because after that the situation which has arisen is before us. When supplementary budget was presented at that time, I had interrupted the honorable minister is in the house, and I had also written a letter to him. Honorable minister has considered the seriously through this house. I would like to thank both the minister because the railway department had demanded rupees 22 crores, and in this year budget a provision of rupees 20 crores has been made. In this connection, I had written a letter that a provision of rupees 50 crores should be made, but when I talked to the concerned officer who is in charge of this gauge conversion, namely Sri Kumar, he said that this year they needed only rupees 22 crores because this year they have to conduct a survey, prepare estimate, and call tenders. Beside, they have to call tenders for gauge which has to be uprooted. Next year they will retire more budget.